morning, guys. So today we're going to be unboxing my April Sephora Play box. This is what it looks like when you get it in the mail. I have been getting Sephora for a little over a year and a half now, maybe 2 years now, the Play box, and every month I either love them or I dislike them. So I'm hoping that April's Sephora Play box is going to be one that I absolutely love. I haven't seen any spoilers on this yet. I don't know if people have not been getting theirs early this month, so I'm kind of excited to see what we get in this month's box. So if you don't know what Sephora Play is, it is a monthly subscription box. You pay $10 a month and you get 5 sample size products to try out. They also give you a points card that you can take into the store to get extra points, and that's about it. This card does tell you the information about the products that you've got in the bag, but it does not give you prices. So let's go ahead and get into the bag. I'm super excited. This bag this month says make it snappy. So that's what it looks like. It's just a cloth bag. I actually have a subscriber that would love all these bags, so I'm going to be getting those together soon and sending them all over to her so she can make a quilt out of them. So I'm hoping that that will, I'll be able to do something with all these bags that I have. I've got a collection of them for her. So, okay, the first thing that came in the bag is a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfection Blur Skin Tint with sunscreen. Is this a foundation? It looks like it may be a foundation. This is amazing. So normally when I pull one of these out, I always assume that it's a lipstick, but I'm excited this is a foundation. They sent me the color. What color did they send me here? Number 8. Ultra Hydrating Perfection Blur Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Broadband Serum of 25. So it does have a SPF of 25. It's number 8, color number 8, and it doesn't say what color that is. I'll have to look it up and then put it down in the description to show you, but basically this is a foundation, I would assume. Yes, it looks like a foundation. Let me go ahead and open that up and see. I don't know if this is a new foundation that came out. Oh, this is definitely leaking. That color actually looks like it may work for me, so I'm not gonna swatch it or anything because I don't want to get it all over the place because it's leaking. But yeah, I'm excited about this because I haven't tried many of Makeup Forever's foundations, so I'm really excited about this one. I'll do it in an all-day wear test because why not? They sent me a sample. I'll definitely do that. We'll see how this works. I love doing foundation wear tests to see if I can find some new foundations that I'm in love with. So hopefully that will be something you guys are interested in, and I look forward to that. All right, the next thing I have in here is from Elizabeth and James in Nirvana. This is a perfume, and I actually like this scent. It's kind of sweeter with a hint of floral, but it's nothing over the top. I really do like this scent, so this is one that I'm actually excited to get. I've actually got that one in a sample before, and I did use that up, so that was pretty. And I think that one is pretty expensive when it comes to perfumes as well. So, all right, the next thing I have in here is a Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Crushing Lip Gloss. It's from Urban Decay. This looks promising. This is actually turning out to be a pretty good bag this month. Looks like I've got the color SPL. Anyways, that's what it's circled in my little thing. So I do got that color. It's kind of like a pink, and it looks like it has like crystals in it, so it's probably going to be something that's super shiny on the lips. I do not mind wearing lip glosses, so this one's actually really exciting for me to give it a try and see how that's going to work. Let me go ahead and swatch that real quick. It's just a little tiny sample. It smells like mint, and it does have like super crystals in it, as you can see it. So that's really pretty. We'll see how that works out. It's definitely going to be shiny, shiny, shiny. So if you're not in the mood for shiny type of things, this may not work for you, but I don't mind it. Shiny lipsticks are coming back into trend again, so hopefully this will work out. It does feel kind of sticky, so hopefully it's not too sticky on the lips. I'm not a big fan of overly sticky type of lip glosses, but we'll see how this works out. All right, and yeah, it's definitely sticky, but it does have like tons of glitter in there, so that's exciting. The next thing I got is from Dr. Dennis Gross. Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep. It is a Fasolic, I can't say that word, plus retinol wrinkle reduction pill. So let me go ahead and take my little scissors here and open that up and see what's on the inside here. It's a pill, it looks like. I I love anything with retinol in it. I use a retinol daily, so I mean that's really nice. It says fights wrinkles, gets smooth, and brightens up the forehead. It does have a before and after picture in there, so that looks really promising. And I do have 2 little packets, and it's a pill, so this is going to be exciting to try out. I know that Dr. Dennis Gross is kind of expensive, so it's always nice to get very expensive type of products in the samples to try them out, because I always am very leery about just purchasing something super expensive and then hating it. I hate sending things back, but when they give me samples, and especially it has 2 of them in there, I think that you can get a pretty good idea if something's going to work out that way. All right, the next thing I have in here is from Purity. It's from Philosophy. I love Purity from Philosophy, so if this is just a cleansing soap, maybe? No, this is their Made Simple Moisturizer. I don't believe that I've tried this. I may have. I know at some point a couple of years ago I did get like a full package from, I bought a full package from QVC, and I'm not sure if this was in there or not, but I love Philosophy's products when it comes to skin stuff, like their face wash and their face scrub, and I also use their body wash too. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. So this so far has been a wonderful bag for me, and that's just a moisturizer, so it doesn't seem like it has SPF in it. It doesn't look like it does, so this would probably be something you want to put in at night. If you want to use this in the daytime, you're definitely going to want to use something with an SPF in it. Alright, so the last thing I got in the bag is from Kiehl's. Looks like this. Focus. There we go. And it looks like it is a powerful strength line reducing concentrate. 12.5% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid in it. And it is Kiehl's Shine ingredients. Oh, this doesn't have very many. This doesn't have any information on the back as to how to use it. It just has ingredients in there. So this is one that I'm going to go to our little handy dandy thing here, because it sounds pretty exciting actually, so I'm actually really excited to try that out. Let's see here. A fan fave anti-wrinkle treatment full of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. It says how to use: massage a bead side amount into clean dry skin before applying eye cream, and moisturize in the morning and at night. A slight warming sensation. Is this an eye cream? It doesn't say if it's an eye cream. This powerful serum with a new and improved formula is well loved for its ability to improve skin texture and tones while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This antioxidant-rich formula leaves smooth skin moisturized, renewed, and radiant. I do not think this is an eye cream. I think this is just for your face. I love anything with vitamin C as well, so I'm really excited about this bag this month. Everything they sent was kind of skincare related, which normally, you know, the Sephora play boxes are usually skincare related, which I don't mind. I'm actually really excited about the products I got this month. All of them are skincare. I got some foundation, I got a lipstick. Yeah, I love what I got this month. So let me know if you guys got something different. I know that sometimes Sephora play sends out different products. I'm pretty impressed with my box this month. So this was April's unboxing of Sephora Playbox. Let me know if you guys have any thoughts about this. There's always a link down below to the Sephora Playbox. That is not an affiliate link. It is just a link so that if you want to purchase this box, $10 a month, you can go get there faster. And so I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon. Let me know what you guys thought about my unboxing this month. If it was any good, if you hated, if you liked it, if you've tried any of these products, let me know what you think about them. And I will talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye!